Every 2 or 3 years एक ऐसा साल आता है और उसमें एक ऐसा month आता है which changes the history of the entire structure that has happened so far. August 2026 is one of that month in many years which is going to change history again. I'm Dr. Sachin Sharma, I'm a neurologist. I want to talk to you about how the month of August is going to look for numbers 1 to 9. But उससे पहले a theme of this month at a global level. This month is all about individual efforts, power struggles, ego clashes, and basically the whole world coming to each other's head and more. Which means ये वो एक ऐसा month है which defines the strong will survive and the meek will not. What is meek and strong in the sense of the world? You're powerful, you're bold, you are a risk taker, you're also spiritually grounded. That is real power. ये सारे flavors will come to the fore this year. You already know that the Iran talks have failed. We already know that Ukraine is now becoming more and more aggressive. The Ukraine-Russia war, I mean. You already know that barring UAE right now, every Middle East country is getting hit. This is going to increase. My job is to ensure that you are reaching your full potential in terms of prosperity, power and health and safety. So if you're born on the 1st, 10th, 28th or 19th of any month, how is August going to be looking for you? August is a tough month for the world over. You, on the other hand, is a very strong number to have. One-born people are leaders and they are very strong people. Now, how does that work out when Saturn comes in your life? Firstly, जो आप एस्पायर करते हो, जो इंस्पिरेशन आपको देता है, स्टार्ट गोइंग इनटू द एग्जीक्यूशन मोड. अब वो सोचने का, प्लान करने का, प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन करने का टाइम खत्म. सेकेंडली, डू नॉट बिकम मीक. कोई आपको क्रिटिसाइज करता है, कोई पॉलिटिक्स खेलता है, somebody is trying to pull you down, face them head on. Do not accept nonsense from others. You are in that situation when you're going to be very, very strong and people will understand that. So make that happen. Number 3, charity is now critical. Sun and the Saturn both are spiritual numbers as well in their own sense. आपसे वो spiritualism, charity कुछ तो मांगेंगे ही मांगेंगे. So जो आप कमाते हो, जो आपका profit है, उसमें से आप कहीं कुछ तो help करोगे. And that becomes a very imperative part of your life anyways because you're number born sun की power लेके आप पैदा हुए हो. लेकिन ये टाइम तो वैसा है कि ये आपके लिए अनिवार्य है. It's like an insulin. The last thing is a balance of power will be required. You may tend to get head on. Too much of headwinds, too much of head on hitting the power can also be a negative one. So थोड़ा backtrack करके आपको spiritually grounded करके रखना. जो आपकी रोज की पूजाएं हैं, जो मंदिर जाते हैं, मस्जिद जाते हैं, जो आपके सिस्टम है जहां आप किसी को हेल्प करते हैं, उसको रोकिए मत, बढ़ाइए. बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं वापस तो घर ही आना है जहां पे आपको ग्राउंडिंग एनर्जीज चाहिए अपने अंदर. बहुत कुछ आप अचीव कर सकते हो, बहुत चीज़ों को आप फेस कर सकते हो. यू कैन विन ओवर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स राइट नाउ दिस मंथ. बट इफ यू रियली वांट टू मेक इट मोर पावरफुल, 15 मिनट्स ऑफ अ कॉन्वर्सेशन विद मी. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट योर ओन चार्ट्स से डिटेल में. प्लस क्या है, माइनस क्या है, उसको क्या एक्सट्रापोलेट करना है, किसको न्यूट्रलाइज करना है. टॉक टू मी, टॉक टू माई टीम, गेट योरसेल्फ एन अपॉइंटमेंट एंड देन वी टेक इट to the next level if you ever wish to. So it is 2, 11, 20 and 29th. If that be your date of birth, how do you maximize the month of August? We've been doing this for so many years now. August 2026 is different. Partnerships and collaborations were already your strength. Bringing people together, harmony and consensus is the way you approach things. But you will also approach this with the same spirit, any conflicts, any politics. Because things will happen when your power is going to be a struggle, when your position may be attacked. The thing about 2026 August is when you look in the eye of the other person, respectfully of course, but firmly, they will back off. Any nagging issues, any nagging conflicts, don't delay them anymore. This is the time for you to strike and strike hard. This is the time for you to go out and make an impact for yourself. Just look at yourself in the mirror and say, I respect myself. I don't want people to walk over me. That's all you're doing. But you're still being respectful to the others. Now, ये बहुत subtle conversation है. ये normally black and white नहीं है. आपको अपने बिलीफ सिस्टम के लिए स्टैंड लेना पड़ेगा. नहीं लेंगे तो आप people will walk over you as they have in the past. The other thing is be very wary of negative energies around you. Black भी नहीं पहनेंगे, नेगेटिव जगह भी नहीं जाएंगे, क्रिमेशन जाएंगे तो यू विल क्लेंस योर सेल्फ प्रॉपरली, हॉस्पिटल किसी से मिलने जाएंगे तो कपड़े धोएंगे. मतलब आप अपने आप को एनर्जी से प्रोटेक्ट करके रखेंगे बिकॉज एनर्जी इज बिकम एन इशू दिस मंथ. सो बी प्रोटेक्टेड, बी पावरफुल, take a stand for your belief system. Now, this is a general, good, solid line of direction to take. If you want more, if you want to really hit it hard while the iron is still hot, reach out to my team. Take a 15 minutes conversation. Let's talk on the Zoom for what your charts are telling me, how to extrapolate your life, how to increase your influence, or how to save you as well. Both things work, right? Knowing itself is a remedy. So if you're born on the 3rd, 12th, 21st or 30th of any month, we want to see how August is shaping up for you. This is a dicey month for you. Now, this is the place where you shine. You're an attraction. You're a force to be reckoned with. But it all depends on what you speak and what you don't. Think before you speak. Analyze for a second or two, then react. Your words will carry far-reaching impact in times to come. सो बड़े ध्यान से ये बात करना बिकॉज ये टाइम पे आप बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रूथ ऑफ द यूनिवर्स होल्ड कर रहे हो, आपकी बातें सच होनी शुरू हो जाएंगी. द थीम ऑफ दिस मंथ इज टू प्रिजर्व रिलेशनशिप्स, प्रिजर्व योर मनी, प्रिजर्व योर नॉलेज. जस्ट गेट इन टू अ मोड दैट यू वॉन्ट टू कीप योर लाइफ वेरी क्लीन, वेरी सेटल्ड, नो एक्स्ट्रा रिस्क एट ऑल. Number three, you will attract people who would tend to share their secrets with you because you will be that force. So this is where you will be tested. Please do not share other people's secrets ahead at all, and there will be many temptations to test that faith. You will do well if you don't. Number 4, trade in metals, and especially the golds and the silver and any precious metal that you can. You will strike well. Now, if you want to understand exactly what it is in details, talk to my team, get yourself a 15 minutes conversation with me. I'll make your chart, understand this and share with you what I see, positives or the negatives, and what to do about it going ahead. If you're born on the 4th, 13th, 22nd and 31st of any month and looking at August as the month ahead, it's a very, very strong month. You have Saturn, you have Rahu, you have Sun. Some work well together, some don't. Now, what it really means for you is that this is the time to understand the forces of power, the forces of planets, the forces of energies, put it all together to make something special of your life, because it not only gives you breakthroughs, sometimes it also gives you a lot of stress. Make no mistake about it, इतना आसान month नहीं है. आपकी energies, आपकी faculties, आपके aspirations are going to be very, very high. That's something that you can build on. ये लेजीनेस तो आएगी नहीं. बट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन दिस मंथ इज अपने आप को थोड़ा डिटैच कर लो आप सिचुएशन से, लाइक अ सेंट. इफ यू लुक एट द सिचुएशन दैट्स कमिंग, बिकॉज इतना कुछ आएगा आपको रोज हैंडल करने के लिए बाय द आवर, दैट अगर आप इमोशनली स्टक्ड हैं, इमोशनली वल्नरेबल हो, तो आप बहुत ज़्यादा बिखर सकते हो. लेकिन आप अपने आप को डिटैच करके रखोगे, यू विल बी एबल टू हैंडल इट लाइक अ सर्जन. आराम से स्ट्रक्चर तरीके से हैंडल कर पाओगे, इमोशंस में मत घुसना. यही आपका चैलेंज आएगा और यही आपकी सबसे बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी है. सो अंडरस्टैंड इट वेरी वेल. सेकेंडली, एंड देयर इज वन मोर थिंग, योर मनी इज गोना कम फ्रॉम मैन एंड मशीनरी. चाहे वो कंस्ट्रक्शन से आ रही हो, जहां मशीन लगेगी, मैन पावर लगेगी, आपको सक्सेस मिलती है. देन इट्स वेरी सिंपल टू डू द नेक्स्ट बेस्ट नेचुरल थिंग, अंडरस्टैंड योर चार्ट्स इन डिटेल्स. Because opportunities तो दोनों तरीके से आ रही है, whether you detach yourself or you attach yourself to man and machinery. So when it is a month of opportunities and a delicate one at that, I want you to look at your chart in details with me. Take a 15-minute slot. Talk to my team. Get ourselves a Zoom conversation. Let's make a chart of yours and understand what works well for you. So do you want to make money? You want to experience power? If you're born on the 5th, 14th or 23rd of any month, and you want to figure out how August is going to look for you, it is money, it is power. However, just remember एक बात याद रखना, जितना इमोशनली डिटैच्ड होके आप काम करोगे, ऑब्जेक्टिवली काम करोगे, हर घंटे को ऑप्टिमाइज करोगे, then you can make inroads you have never done in a long time before. This is the time to start a new venture. छोटा सा करो, बड़ा सा करो, छोटा प्रोजेक्ट घर पे शुरू करो, whatever it is, start a new venture. लाइफ में बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस आने वाले हैं, वॉर्स आती हैं, क्लाइमेट्स आते हैं. यू नीड टू बी नाउ गेटिंग रेडी टू बी एन एंटरप्रेन्योर en masse. People will become technicians, they will become specialists. Fewer and fewer people will become managers and vice presidents. You are the best poised to do your business. Start something. Number 3, socialize, not just because you want to. Socialize to start a charity. Saturn, Mercury, the blessings will be amazing if you do something to help life, humans, plants, animals, climate, anything. Now, you know, there's always this next step which I say, अब next step तो ये है कि आप अपने charts 15 मिनट मेरी टीम से बात करके चेक कराओ to understand where does your power really lies. Once you understand that, we can extrapolate that information remedy है. अगर कुछ फंस भी रहे हो तो information itself भी तो आपको क्वेश्चन करती है. All of that is falling in line greatly for you, my friends. Have a fantastic month of August. Keep doing well. You can do far more than you've ever done so far. And you thought you were a latent power. No, man. No, my friend. You're a big power. 6th, 15th and 24th born people. How would August look for you? You will get a lot of government support. You get a lot of support from your bosses. You'll get a lot of support from people in power. But you know where your power is going to lie? Your ability to take responsibility like nobody else can. आप जिस हिसाब से रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले पाते हो ना, और कोई नहीं लेता. So go out and ask your bosses. Ask the government. Ask your nation whatever way you can find. How can I do? What can I do to help you? What can I do to add on to the value? आप वैल्यू ऐड करने निकलो इंसानों की, देश की, ऑफिस की, क्लाइंट्स की लाइफ में. आपको यू विल बी ब्लेस्ड, यू विल बी रिवॉर्डेड. ये टाइम ही ऐसा है. दिस इज ऑल्सो टाइम टू बाय योर फैंसी कार और योर ड्रीम कार. This is also a time to renovate your house, or if you have a land lying somewhere, to construct. Such a powerful time. And only thing that's left between you and real success is a 15 minutes conversation with me. Get an appointment. Let's talk on Zoom. Let's see your charts and see where we can actually push the lever to make you much more powerful, more customized to and your unique abilities too, just not a number. If you're born on the 7th, 16th or 25th of any month, how is August going to be looking for you? Money है, power है, focus वही है सिर्फ. Now there are 4 or 5 aspects of money and power for you, and we must elaborate on this one for you. Number 1, preserve and grow. Number 2, intellect is working at the highest level right now. Ideas आएंगे. You must have the wherewithal and the risk-taking capacity to execute to those ideas. But पहले ideas को सुनो तो सही. Which means अपनी distractions कम करके रखना. Just don't get distracted with small things, parties, friends and all. Just focus on business and finance. And number 3, this is the time. Sit down and train yourself in money making techniques. Get your Bloombergs, get your Rob reports, get anything that financial and newspapers to train yourself in the world of business and finance. You know, ये मौके बार बार नहीं आते. To understand what really your potential actually is, talk to me. Take a 15 minutes appointment. Talk to my team. Get yourself a Zoom session. Let's make your chart and understand where is it coming from and how far can you go with this. Because what you start in the month of August can take you for the rest of your life. You understand that? Because once money starts to roll, it doesn't stop. And you have to learn how to do it. You are the best suited for this month. Born on the 8th or 17th or 26th of any month and you want to take August as a month, 8 and 8, this is a big, big, big month. 3 trends होते हैं, 3 systems होते हैं follow करने के लिए. Number 1, this will help you peak to your potential right now. ये आपको help करेगा अपने potential पे पहुंचने के लिए. So first things first is आपका material journey और आपकी spiritual journey balance होनी चाहिए. वो Saturn का main requirement होती है. कहीं ना कहीं जो आप पैसा कमाएंगे उससे आप दान भी करेंगे, उसको आप चैरिटी भी करेंगे. Once you understood this, what's the step number 2? Understand the geopolitical trends, understand the financial trends, educate yourself so that you can align yourself with opportunities that people cannot see. Because आप actually देख पाते हो, लेकिन आपको पता होना चाहिए कि क्या समय आपका चल रहा है. So understand those trends. Number 3, begin your search. So how can you align with the opportunities that are happening across? छोटी opportunity हो सकती है, कोई घर मिल रहा है, सस्ते में मिल रहा है, किराए वाला भी साथ में मिल रहा है, सिर्फ बड़ी opportunities आप align करना शुरू करो. Really keep an eye out for it. And the last thing is, start gathering people who have the right skill sets. सारा काम आपसे अपने आप नहीं होगा. You have to start gathering your resources. ये आइडेंटिफिकेशन करो. डोंट वेस्ट टाइम ऑन फ्रेंड्स विच आर नेगेटिव, ऑन रिलेटिव्स विच टेक अवे योर एनर्जी. मत वेस्ट करो उस पर टाइम. आपके पास लिमिटेड टाइम है. उन पे फोकस करो हु आर गुड रिसोर्सेज टू यू, हु आर गुड जेन्युइन पीपल टू. And the last thing is, take a 15 minutes conversation. I have done this in the last 4 or 5 months. It's working beautifully. 15-20 मिनट बात करो मेरे से. आपका चार्ट बनेगा, डिस्कशन होगा, अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड प्लस एंड माइनस को evaluate करेंगे, and you reach your full potential. Born on the 9th, 18th and 27th, and you want to look at how August is looking for you. You know, usually मैं end में बोलता हूँ कि आप मेरे से मिलो, बात करो, अपने charts को explain करो, but यहाँ problem दूसरी है. 9 is a very strong planet, Mars. 8 is a very strong planet. The month of August is Saturn. And 2026 is Sun. All 3 planets are strong. Coming together, they clash. By themselves are a great power for you, but when they don't talk to each other, it can create cause and chaos and confusion. Stop, take a 15 minutes conversation. Let's understand how to balance it, because at the end of the day, ये आपको international friends भी बनाएंगे, international company भी देंगे, spiritualism भी देंगे. Now, the second thing is, इस पे ना थोड़ा सा आपको machine like discipline से काम करना पड़ेगा. Lot of pending things can be completed which haven't been in months and decades too, literally. So please make your task sheet, start executing, closing down your pending issues, because you'll get the energy and the luck to be able to do so. So use it. Take a step back. Understand your strengths. आपकी leadership skill will be required to handle these multiple tasks that are going to head your way. और वो चारों तरफ से आएगा. वन जनरेट करता है नए आइडियाज, सैटर्न करता है मनी, पावर एंड पोजीशन, मार्स देता है स्पिरिचुअल इंक्लिनेशंस. कैसे हैंडल करोगे आप? एंड यू नीड टू बी लुकिंग बैक. मैनेज योर आवर्स पावरफुली. एक घंटे में अपने टास्क को बांटिए. एंश्योर दैट यू नॉट रियली वेस्टिंग योर लाइफ. Every hour you're doing something positive, people positive, kind of work that you're associated with is towards the right direction. Make that happen. Like I said again, talk to me. You need to balance this month for you. Take that Zoom session. It's really important going forward, because this is going to make a foundation for you. God bless you guys.